Hello, I'm Dr. Caldwell with Phoenix Mobile Veterinarians, and our clients sometimes have questions about what to expect from their first veterinary kitten appointment. We've written down some of those questions, and together with my assistant Ariana, we're going to be answering those questions for you. Ariana, what's the first question?
Dr. Cardwell, what should I expect at my kitten's first veterinary visit?
On your kitten's first veterinary visit, what you're going to expect is just a comprehensive physical exam. Okay, we're going to be taking a look at everything from front to back, eyes, ears. We're going to be looking in the mouth, listening to the heart, the lungs. We're going to be feeling the belly, making sure that everything is just checking out and right where it's supposed to be. Of course, we're also going to be looking for signs of infection as well. Have we been coughing? Do we see any discharge from the nose or the eyes or anything else like that? And of course, if you see any of those signs at home and you're not really noticeable in the clinic, be sure to bring them up with your veterinarian.
What should I ask my veterinarian at my kitten's first appointment?
Always ask your veterinarian any questions that you have. And the most important thing that we have is open communication with our clients, and to make sure that you have all of your questions answered. If you have a question, we're here for you, okay? If you have any questions about what you're feeding, about different behaviors that you may be noticing with the pet at home, also bring those up too.
How often does my kitten need to go to the veterinarian?
Well, it really just depends, right? If when we're initial visits at 6 to 8 weeks, we're going to be visiting the vet about every 3 to 4 weeks to get booster vaccines. Now, of course, if there's any signs at home that are of concern, any signs of infection or anything else like that, then we'll get them seen sooner. But after we get those kitten shots that finish up at around 16 weeks of age, we always recommend getting an exam every 6 months. The reason for it is that cats are really good at hiding all of their problems. And even if the cat is otherwise doing well at home, when we do our visit, if we find anything of concern, as with any problem, the sooner that we catch something that's going on, the better chance that we have to resolve it.
What vaccinations does my kitten need?
Well, there's three different vaccines that we have for cats, and as far as necessity, it really just depends on the lifestyle. Now, the feline combination vaccine, which is the FVRCP, we recommend that for cats of any lifestyle and of any age. And the other two vaccines that we have, the feline rabies and the feline leukemia virus vaccine, those are going to be dependent on if they're interacting with other cats and if they have any communal situations that they're going to be in, such as a boarding facility or if they go to a groomer or anything else like that.
Does my kitten need vaccinations even if I keep them inside?
Absolutely. We always recommend vaccines for kittens. Now, the vaccine protocol may change, as I just mentioned. So there's a couple of vaccines that we recommend if they have interaction with other cats. But that feline combination vaccine, the FVRCP, we recommend that regardless of lifestyle, even if they're just hanging out at home.
What kind of preventative care does my kitten need?
As far as preventative care, we always recommend flea tick prevention, vaccinations, and if anything else is needed, then we can talk about that. But it's usually, for the most part, for most kitty cats, flea and tick prevention and then those vaccines are the most important preventative care.
When should I get my kitten spayed or neutered?
As far as getting them spayed and neutered, we always recommend spaying and neutering at around 6 months of age. If we need to extend that out a little bit, 7 to 9 months, we can, but preferentially about 6 months is when we get that all done. Well, I hope that answered some questions for you. Please give us a call at Phoenix Mobile Veterinarians.